Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating how to crochet this lovely stitch. Okay. For this tutorial I will be demonstrating how to crochet the stitch. This is actually going to be a cardigan or a vest. It depends on how much yarn I have. So I have about 100 grams of yarn. I weighed the sweater that I have crocheted over 20 years ago. And I noticed that I had bleach here. So I am frogging it. I don't know how I did it, but I had bleach here, but it's gone because I'm crocheting it while I'm frogging it. And you can't notice it because when you crochet it, I do the chains right, and when I do the single crochet it gets missing, so nothing to worry about. So I'm going to be frogging this short sleeve cardigan or top that I have crocheted. Like I said, over 20 years ago. This yarn is Mercer's cotton yarn that I have bought in Edmonton. We used to have I can't remember the store's name. It was Canadian Craft Yarn, something like that. I can't remember. Unfortunately they shut down. They had gorgeous yarn. Now we can't find those yarns here, and Michael's doesn't sell these quality yarns. So it's one piece, so I'm just crocheting as I go, and hopefully we'll see how it's going to turn out. I will be doing a tutorial on how to as I go, but this is going to be a tutorial on how to crochet this, and I am planning, I think I would have enough, and we'll see. It's going to be one piece again. If you look close you can see the bleaches, but it's really hard to see. So it was like right here when I usually put it in when I'm washing my dishes, so it was here mostly, but it's gone. When I frogged it, it's gone. Okay, so grab whichever yarn. You can make a baby blanket out of this, and you can make anything you want. I just did on the first I did the chainless foundation double crochet, and I have a tutorial. I will put that link here. I'm not going to go over it because I already did the tutorial on how to do I have a couple of them, like 3-4 methods, and 2 other videos, tutorials I did separately. So I put the links below, and you can go on with anything, because the bottom has to be very not tight, like loosely. So I like this method, so it doesn't, as you can see, it's not tight at all, the bottom part. Let me put that on the black so you can see it better. So I just wanted to show you this top that I have crocheted over 20 years ago, and I've been wearing it, and there's nothing wrong with the yarn, so I'm going to reuse the yarn. It's just the bleach part that was annoying at the front, so I couldn't wear it anymore. So like you can see, the bottom is not tight at all. It's very loosely, so I would recommend you doing the foundation chainless stitch that I did the tutorial. And what you do is I just chained about 30 inches long. So this is how it's going to look like when I wear it. It's going to go, so this is the one side, that's just like this, but it's going to be done one piece that I'm planning to do, and hopefully I will success my goal. Okay, so just chain as long as you want. You can make a dishcloth, you can make a baby blanket out of the stitch, and I am making the borders as I go because I don't want to go back and crochet. It's pain in the you know what, go back and do the border or do the edges. So I'm doing it as I go, and I don't have to come back and worry about it, and I will show you a trick and how to do that as well. So let's say this part that you're first starting, so just plan is like that. I'm not going to repeat it because I already have a tutorial on how to do this. So just think as this is the chainless foundation chain that you have already done, and we're going to start the edge. So just do 4 double crochets. So when you do the chain, just go chain 3 and then do total of 3 double crochets right here, just like this. I will grab my crochet hook. Yeah, I'm not on my station yet, so okay. So 2, 3, 4. Just like this. Okay, so this is going to be the border. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be chaining 6. So this is going to be the first row. Just imagine this is the first row. So 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about this, because it's a couple of strands of cotton yarn, right? Yeah, this must have broke. And then I'm going to go, so just count. Just think of this, the first row, just like this, 6. So we're going to count 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But unfortunately, it's not going to be that. So when you're counting, count to 6. So 3, and then 6, and then right here, just do a double crochet, just like this. And then make another double crochet on the next. Okay, and then do another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, and then again skip 6, and then do double crochet. And this is all to it. So you just continue doing it like this. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the 6. Skip the 5 on the 6. Do a double crochet. Just like this. And I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm at the end. And what I did is I chained 6 and I did 4 double crochets here, and I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and then I'm going to do 4 single crochet. The reason we're doing the single crochet is because of the height. We did double crochet, so we did double crochet for the edges. Now we're doing single crochets all the way, so we're doing single crochet. So I did 3, and I think I missed one. Let me go back. Okay, so here we are. I did 4 single crochets on top of the double crochets, the 4 double crochets, and we're going to be doing total of 5 single crochets on the chain, just like this. This way we're controlling the height. So one row we're going to do single crochet on the border, and one row we're going to do double crochet. So 2, 4, I think I did 5, sorry, forgot to count. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to do single crochets on top of the double crochets. Okay, and then we're just repeating it. So we do 5 single crochets and we do single crochets on the double crochets. 3, 4, 5. So continue crocheting like this all the way to the end, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, so I came to the end and I did 5 single crochets and I chained 3, and now we're going to do double crochet row. So we're going to do 4 double crochets on each single crochets. Okay, 3 and then 4. Again, this is the border. And now what we're going to do is, remember on the previous we did 6 chain. Now we're going to do 3 because we're going to be in the middle of this. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to skip one and then do 2 double crochets on each single, well, 1 double crochet on one single crochet and 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet on the other one. And now we're going to do chain 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to skip 6 single crochets, and we're going to be doing double crochet and do another double crochet on the next one. And then we're repeating, so we're going in the middle. As you can see, now we're doing like a honeycomb, becomes a honeycomb. So this is all to it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go in the middle, and when you come to the end you do single crochets on each double crochets, and then when you go to the upper you do a single crochet, and this is all to it. So this is just a short tutorial on how to crochet the stitch, and I will be coming and making a tutorial as I continue crocheting this lovely stitch to become a, I'm planning to make a cardigan. I weighed it, so it's about 2 pounds of yarn in that top that I have crocheted, so I will see how it will turn out, and if I have enough yarn I will make the sleeves with you guys, and so I will make the tutorial on how to crochet this cardigan, making this this stitch. Looks like a honeycomb. Again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. Please do not forget to subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!